Mom. Nope. Alright. It's Lily.
Hey guys, it's me, Lily,
From
the Bronze Show. Comment down and likes and subscribe to her channel and my channel and come check it out.
and
Yep.
my channel. And me and my channel.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make some slime, but we do not show the ingredients this time. We're making it for the first time. Woo!
Guys, I'm gonna add stuff, Lily.
No. Alright. So first we're gonna add 3 drops of paint.
Are you gonna go first? Cause me and her are making the exact same. We are.
I'm
making bright slime. 3. Okay.
It's a little runny, but that's
1, 2, 3. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be nice slime.
Can I add 3 more drops because it's not turning to any color? Turning to
Oh my gosh.
1,
It's just magically turned.
3. 1, 2, 3. Finally!
Wow! Look at that! Wow.
Guys, look at my slime.
Cool.
Alright, finally it's turning colors, guys.
See that?
Finally.
2. I had to add 2 more drops because it wasn't even turning that teal color.
Mine, I can still see the
Yeah.
color stuff.
Okay, now it's getting really cool. How's that? That looks
Show the camera.
I don't want to tip it over. Here, we'll show you when we're done. Okay, Charlie, I think that's enough. Look at my slime.
I just
And only 5 drops.
5.
Can
Yeah.
I add the glitter
Yours
in?
is 7, 8.
Mommy, I want
9,
the glitter in.
Not yet. sweetie.
Alright, guys.
Can I
Mine's
add the clay in?
Not yet.
like donut swirl.
Okay, guys. So it looks really light blue right now.
This
Mine
one
is really-
looks like a
Oh my
donut
gosh.
swirl.
Mine's way darker.
Alright, so what do we add first? Steflo!
Yeah, baby.
I want mine to be super, super light. So I had to add more paint.
Oh no.
Can I add mine?
Yep.
Lily, that was mine.
Well, hold on.
You have to do green. I mean, yeah.
Guys, mine's coming together.
You can't reach it.
Yeah.
Oh my
This is so
gosh.
exciting.
Oh my god, look at that, guys. If you could see that, that looks awesome. That's you. This looks awesome. Oh my gosh.
It's starting to get like guts.
Oh my gosh. Feel mine.
Is it sticky or liquidy?
It's like liquid.
Yeah, mine rips.
It's okay. It'll come together. Stir it. Stir.
Mine got a little
If you
bit-
can't see this, here what I'm doing.
Oh,
Oh
gosh.
no. Guys, this is my clay.
She's using clay and me and Lily are not.
Because
Yeah.
I'm making bright
Mine's
slime.
coming together. It's
Oh, look at that, guys.
I'm going to
like all
add like
drippy.
1 more cup of Steflo.
I think I'm ready for my hands, guys.
If it is it coming off the side?
Mine's
still ready.
coming out.
Oh my gosh.
Mine's slimy.
So is mine.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome.
Oh.
Awesome. Mine is heavy.
So I'm going to add some phone beads.
So am I.
Here's the phone
Mine is not that bright.
Oh my gosh, I thought something happened. It was almost to the end. I was like, what happened? I think this might be good. Yeah, this is
Can I
good.
put it in, Mom? Let's hope I don't overfill it.
Mine called me jiggly slime.
Why are you adding more paint?
Okay, I'm going to add some slime now.
My hands are going to turn yellow. Yellow.
Can I use my hands, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
I want to use my hands, guys. My hands are going to get so messy. By the way, my mom's behind the camera, so she's going to help us.
Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
No, they're supposed to see you.
I'm using my hands. It's disgusting. Where did I set my spoon?
Okay. Oh my
Ew.
gosh.
Mommy, I think mine is
guys,
ready.
look.
This is how much slime I
more
get.
Staflo?
Can I
I'm
have a
putting
little-
mine on table.
Can I have some more Staflo?
It's because you're done. I think we're not. We're pros at this. We're fine.
There's the rest of my slime.
It's coming off good.
Mom, I need more stuff.
Mommy, can I have the big bowl? Because I can't
No.
mix as well.
Mine is working.
We should add ours together that way.
Guys, mine is working.
Nice.
Oh, it actually is. All right. Mommy, can you push the stuff away? Never mind.
Oh my
I got
gosh. Our hands. Wait, you're taking it out?
Yeah. My mom's told me to because I'm not mixing well.
Okay, so am I. I guess I'm not mixing that well either.
Mommy,
Guys, I tried
to
to totally slime, but it didn't
Can I go wash my
work.
hands?
So this is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like.
It looks on camera,
Like,
but
it
actually
looks super
isn't.
cool, guys.
My mom's gonna add some cool beads into it.
Guys, my slime is coming off my hands.
Thanks. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, guys. This is awesome.
We're doing a contest, by the way. You can go in it, but you have to like and subscribe. Who made the best slime when
Is
we're
mine
done?
ready to add the sparkles?
After this video.
After the video.
Pretty good.
Guys, mine is
And we'll
working.
show you like the slime. Oh my god, I think mine's done.
I need some more Staflo.
Wait, no, I need that
mine is
unicorn
working.
stuff.
Oh, unicorn
Guys,
skin.
it's not ready.
Mommy,
Kind of.
I need
Mommy,
some
it's
more
ready to add the
Staflo.
sparkles.
Hold on. Let's get all the stuff off the counter.
Look at that. That's working. It's working. Oh my
I
gosh.
need
add
some
the
Staflo.
I'm going to add some more foam beads.
Mommy,
Guys, I'm ready to add the sparkles.
I'm going to
Mommy,
add some more foam
Staflo.
beads.
Mommy.
Hold
Can
on.
I add some more foam beads?
Yeah.
I got to gently bring this over
Okay,
there.
that's good.
Mommy, I need some Staflo.
Okay.
Feels so nice,
Good, Mommy.
guys. Put some
Yeah.
foam
Oh
beads
my
in.
goodness, Charlie, you're a mess.
I know.
That's enough glitter.
I'm going to bring it over there.
I need some Staflo.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, mine is done.
It is the best
Mine
for
is like
activating.
banana slime.
For slime.
Guys, this is going to be fun.
Guys, it's random singing time. I love Staflo. You know
Guys,
why?
mine is done.
It works good with
Charlie, mine is done.
slime.
Put that glue on the table.
It works good with Staflo.
Slime is good
And fun.
Slime is good and fun.
Awesome.
She just made a huge mess.
Thanks for some foam beads.
Yeah, I'm dying.
You
Sure.
want some?
Yeah.
Sure, brother.
That's
Sure.
more foam beads, Daddy.
Yeah. You're welcome. Oh my gosh.
Thanks, Daddy. That's good,
Yeah.
Mommy. Guys, mine is done.
So is mine. Wait, no, I have to add that unicorn stuff in.
Can
Unicorn
I
skin.
add that unicorn stuff in?
You have some unicorn skin for Lily.
In me.
Okay. Wait, so what am I supposed to do?
Just put it some in. Just open the cap and put them in.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Okay.
that's good.
That's good.
Mix it in.
We have a lot though.
Mine is done. Guys, what do you think mine looks like? Mine looks like banana slime.
Here.
No,
Come on,
banana peels.
Thank you. Just swirling it everywhere. Picking it up. Picking it up. Oh my
Now I'm
gosh.
gonna add the
Mommy, I
extra
want
solutions in my bowl to my
Come on, let out.
slime. Because it needs to be mixed also.
Okay, guys. I think my
This one-
slime's. I think my slime's pretty awesome.
Guys, mine is done.
I might need Lily to help me.
Why?
Wait, can I feel yours?
Yeah. Doesn't that feel nice? It feels good.
Feel
feeling
mine, Lily.
You're
Mommy,
messing
can I
up.
have some
Lily,
more
feel mine.
beads?
Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah.
Lily, feel mine.
Oh my
No,
gosh, it
the
feels so
balls.
nice.
Hey,
Oh.
guys, look at my slime.
They're like the blue ones.
They're all gone, sweetie.
Oh, you can add more.
Can I add my clay in?
Can I have
Yeah.
a little bit more?
If it,
Mommy, I want some clay in.
is sticky?
No.
All right, you can add it.
I'm gonna add little pieces.
No, just add it, the whole thing.
What happens when you add molding clay to slime?
You,
It turns liquid.
Yeah.
no.
No.
If you add air dried clay, it turns to liquid.
But what happens if you just add clay to slime? What does it turn into?
To butter slime!
Now my slime is gonna be better.
Okay, so we're the rainbow sparkle people. Things.
Mommy, I need some unicorn skin.
So do I. I need some rainbow sparkle unicorn skin. Unicorn skin.
not mixing
Unicorn
in.
skin. Unicorn skin.
Alright, we're almost done. Whoa, that feels
There's
so
some big chunks in it.
Yeah, guys, this is awesome.
Mommy, there's still chunks.
Here. You're just gonna.
Mommy, where did you
Awesome.
find the like contest from?
Oh my gosh.
Elmer's has a slime contest right now.
Elmer's has a slime contest, so me and Ryan are doing a contest. That's why mine is like has so much crunchies in it.
So Charlie is doing the coolest texture.
And Ryan's
I'm
doing
gonna do lightest.
the brightest color.
I think Ryan's gonna win. I
In
hope she
our
does.
families.
What happens if you win?
I don't know. They have a bunch of different prizes.
Can we pick from?
I think people go online and to the contest and vote. And then I think we see who the winner is.
Cool. This is gonna be
Caption.
uh-huh. I hope you win, Ryan and Charlie.
Why?
Because that would be cool to see you guys win. All right, this feels super nice.
What if we're the famous? What if we're famous?
If you go, what if I was there and then we all went to Nickelodeon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and Charlie and Mommy and Daddy already went to like Nickelodeon.
You have?
Yeah. I want some more unicorn skin.
You're adding unicorn skin?
Yeah.
How does it work?
Awesome, actually.
Nice. I'm gonna add some.
Wow, this actually is the coolest texture.
So I'm
This?
just going
I
to
want
take
a
some of my
little.
slime and clean out my bowl.
What's
'cause
some
it's-
foam beads?
Ryan, let me get this clay worked in real quick.
I'll work with it.
Here, let me grab some.
I'm just going to shove my bowl into my slime. No, I'm kidding. I'm just like going to take my slime and like put it in here. I hope.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Of the Western Girls.
No, the Weston Girls Adventure. Because every day's adventure and we're girls.
Oh
right?
my gosh!
Yeah, the Western Girls Adventure. That sounds nice. Oh my gosh, foam beads are like on my chair, like.
What? It's a video. It gets messy.
Things get messy here. Like
That was quick.
yeah. Oh my gosh, it feels
Alright.
nice.
I know.
Mine is so glittery. Guys, look at mine.
My slime's coming sticky because of my stuff in my bowl.
Guys,
And I want
look,
some more-
mine is so glittery.
You can't tell on camera
Mommy,
that it is, but if you
still
go
has a
online,
big
it
chunk.
is. I hope it should. Does it show the like names, or do they have to check on YouTube and see if they did the contest?
So we have to name your slime. So Charlie, what are you gonna name yours?
It looks like Elsa, and it's also a unicorn. Magic Elsa, Magic Elsa.
Magic Elsa. Ryan, what are you gonna name yours?
Banana slime.
No, like make it like fun, not
Like
just
glittery banana slime.
Yeah, glittery banana slime.
or like banana smoothie.
Yeah, banana smoothie.
Well, here. Shh. That's actually pretty clicky. I have some unicorn skin.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so Charlie, guys, watch this. Look, it just like spreads like that. Look, it's like Charlotte's Web. Like a web.
guys, hear
Watch.
this. Shh, shh. Guys, hear this.
That's actually pretty clicky,
Here, let
I
me
must say.
see.
And Lily's
Oh my
here for a sleepover. She's one of my friends from school.
But we already did our sleepover.
Yeah, Yeah, yesterday.
This is her last day at our house.
Not my
I'm gonna go wash my hand, guys. Be right
Like,
back.
for the sleepover.
Yeah, for this. Not forever. Not like, oh no, she's never coming back.
Yeah, not like that.
Like, I am coming back, guys.
Okay, shush.
What do you think about my slime, Charles?
Ryan wants to wash her hands. She tried to do it in the sink, but my mom said no. So, yeah.
I'm going to use this big bowl, and I'm going to put some of this in there. Yeah.
What?
I'm going to put some of the flour, whatever.
Staff flow?
Yes,
Is yours sticky?
kind of. And I just need some in there. Because it's like really...
If you add too much staff in there, it's gonna start dripping.
Well, this is why. I'm going to add one from this orange one, because that's like...
The smallest?
Yeah. Okay. So then I'm just going to put the staff flow back. And I'm going to see how it is after I mix it in this bowl. Okay, yeah, this is going to be good. Just add the staff flow in there.
And if she runs her slime after this video, we'll make more. She won't, cry like Ryan does.
Oh, no, this is going to be good slime.
I am back.
I just cleaned out my bowl, kind of, so... I have a spoon. Guys, you fell!
Are you guys okay? Oh, you fell again.
Guys, you have to
put it back
stay. Ryan's slime is still kind of sticky.
Because I added some of that in.
Okay, guys, sorry.
Yeah,
Guys,
Okay.
yeah, mine is still a little sticky.
Should we clean your container?
Okay.
Come on, it's going to make it even more
It's
stickier.
okay. We're gonna get some more staff flow.
Staff flow, Did you take all the staff flow?
No. I didn't take all the staff flow.
What is in my thing?
She just added a tablespoon of staff flow. I'm trying to clean my bowl.
Just a smidge. Yep.
So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Lily, what?
Should be good.
Are you trying to do all the tests?
But add all of
So
it.
you're practicing all the tests while
No.
we're
It should be
waiting?
good.
I'm just mixing it. I like your slime.
I like my slime.
Me and Ryan are going to have
Mommy,
the cool.
told you.
I'm going to have
It's
the
more
cool
sticky.
This
I
it's
think it
not
tastes
this
good.
bright, but on camera it does look very bright.
Mommy,
So
No, I
yeah.
don't need any more. Here.
Come on. Hold
anybody
on.
needs more staff flow?
Oh no. Okay, guys. Oh no. Charlie Weston. In the name. I don't
Do you
know.
need more staff flow?
No.
Where's
Take it
my
out,
bowl? Oh my
Take
god,
it
this isn't gonna fit in my bowl, is it?
Yeah.
No. Look. Yeah, it might. But then I gotta get all this.
Mom, you won't stay.
I have the cup in front of it.
Fine. There you go, guys.
Guys, we're back.
Hi.
I'm back.
Oh my
Charlie's
god. Who knows how to talk like Jeffrey?
Jeffrey's not. I mean, Jeffy is not.
Jeffrey's inappropriate,
Yeah.
so we're not going to say bad words like Jeffrey
Need
does.
more?
No. It's gonna make it
Need
rip.
more?
No.
Charlie, need more?
That's how I like
Aw.
it. Why? Do you want to help?
Yeah.
How about I feel Ryan's slime and she feels my slime and see if we'll win.
I think we should pause the video for a minute. Is
Whoa,
everybody done
mine-
making their slime?
Yeah.
Guys, look.
Nice.
And then we can do our slime test.
Yes.
Okay. Can we wash our hands real quick?